Hey everyone, my name is Zach Snow, and I'm going to be talking about Carl Sagan's playable dot theory. I do apologize in advance. I have been going through a little bit of a cold, so my throat doesn't feel the greatest. So if I'm not the easiest person to hear, I'm sorry. But let's get started. So, the pale blue dot theory I found fascinating. Now I know we're not learning astronomy, we're learning geology, but in a big way, and I didn't really understand this until I watched the video a couple more times. But in a big way, the two go hand in hand. A lot of geological events and environmental events that happen on Earth are because of stuff that is happening in space that we cannot see. Whether it may be the Earth constantly moving, a nearby asteroid field, there is things that can happen in space that affect what happens on Earth. We just don't see it. Now, in his video, he talks about the vast cosmic arena. Now, Earth has a lot of history. You have the beginning of time, the people living on it, people dying on it, people living their lives like we are right now on it. It's a vast cosmic arena, and our Earth is in the center of all of that. And there's constantly stuff revolving in Earth and changing in Earth, uh, whether it be like a tsunami happening in Earth or a hurricane happening in Earth. But the weird part about Earth is just because that event happens in one part of the Earth, it does not happen in another part of the world, which I found really fascinating. Now, the environment in which we are surrounded, Earth is surrounded by water, which is a big reason why if an earthquake happens, especially a big one, a tsunami will occur. Same thing with when the tectonic plates start to shake, which is the main cause of earthquakes. Water will start to form, water will start to get rapids. It just, it, in geology, an event to an event to an event will happen in order for an event to occur, such as something major like a tsunami or a tornado, earthquake. And events have to happen in order for events to occur. Now, in the final part of his video, he talks about one speck stuck in the beam of the sun, one speck um, hospitalizing, or not hospitalizing, but a one speck holding on to life throughout generations, life that we have known, life that we are on now, in just one speck contains all of that, and one speck can cause these geological events that we see every day. Thank you.